Hey there, gardening enthusiasts. Welcome back to your channel name, where we grow our way to a healthier and happier life. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more gardening tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into the top 6 easy-to-grow vegetables for beginners. Let's get our hands dirty and get started. Number 1 on our list is radishes. These little root vegetables are perfect for beginners because they're super fast growing and require minimal care. To start, plant your radish seeds about ½ an inch deep and 1 inch apart. Radishes thrive in cool weather, so plant them in early spring or fall. Within 3 to 4 weeks, you'll see these vibrant red roots ready for harvest. Just pull them out, rinse, and enjoy their crisp, peppery flavor. Next up, we have lettuce. Fresh, homegrown lettuce is a game changer for your salads. Sow your lettuce seeds about ¼ inch deep and keep the soil consistently moist. Lettuce prefers cooler temperatures, so plant it in spring or fall. In just about 30 to 45 days, you'll have beautiful, tender lettuce leaves ready to harvest. Snip them off and enjoy the freshest salads ever. Number 3 is green beans. These are incredibly easy to grow and very rewarding. Plant your green bean seeds about 1 inch deep and 3 inches apart. They love full sun and well-drained soil. In about 50 to 60 days, you'll have an abundance of crisp, tender green beans ready for picking. They're perfect for snacking, cooking, or freezing. Fourth on our list is cucumbers. These refreshing veggies are fantastic for beginners. Plant your cucumber seeds about 1 inch deep and 2 feet apart. They need lots of sunlight and well-drained soil. In around 50 to 70 days, you'll have fresh cucumbers ready to harvest. They're perfect for salads, pickling, or just eating fresh. Number 5 is zucchini. These prolific growers are a favorite among new gardeners. Plant your zucchini seeds about 1 inch deep and 3 feet apart. They love full sun and need space to spread out. In about 45 to 55 days, you'll have an abundance of zucchinis ready to harvest. They're perfect for grilling, baking, or adding to stir-fries. Last but not least, we have spinach. This leafy green is packed with nutrients and easy to grow. Plant your spinach seeds about ½ an inch deep and 1 inch apart. Spinach prefers cooler temperatures, so plant it in early spring or fall. In just 30 to 45 days, you'll have lush spinach leaves ready to harvest. They're perfect for salads, smoothies, and cooking. And there you have it. 6 easy-to-grow vegetables perfect for beginners, from seed to harvest. With a little love and care, you'll be enjoying your homegrown produce in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening! See you in the next video.